Hello, happy Wednesday. Have you ever thought about that you cannot do today's job with yesterday's methods and still be in business tomorrow? It is so important to stand out from your competitors, and this is more important now than ever. Let me give you a quick example. Let's imagine an automotive plant just before a launch. Are machine operators getting the support they need to mentally prepare for what's coming up? How do managers mentally prepare to stay calm and collected and expect the best possible outcome? Mental strength and mental strategies are well known in the world of sports. Why don't we use it in business? This is my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best. Please subscribe, like, and share.